Hi everyone, my name is Elizabeth. I am a CRM team member for Artsman and welcome to our series on End of Day in Theater Manager. In this video, we will examine the till balance process. Okay, let's dig in. The purpose of the till balance is for each employee to be responsible for their daily sales. The till balance allows for a financial check and balance. This ensures more than one person is verifying income for the organization and is a step in the process of helping to prevent fraud. As an employee's day comes to a close, the till balance allows employees to review monies they have collected which have not yet been deposited through the end of day. From the File menu, we'll click on Patron Sales and scroll down to Till Balance. This brings us to the Till Balance window where an employee can compare the value of cash and checks they've collected during their day. Other payment types, including memberships and gift certificates, are included in the list for review. Adding our payment totals, we verify they match the values in the lower left and check the box. This tells Theater Manager that the money in hand balances with what we expect to be deposited. If any payment types have a zero value, the system automatically places a checkbox there since there's nothing to balance. Authorized credit cards processed through Theater Manager, online ticket sales, and EMV transactions, payments processed through terminals with chip readers, do not appear in the till balance process. Once all the payments are checked, we can click the Balance button. This brings up the Till Balance report window. Here, users can print one or both of the following reports: the Till Summary, which consolidates transactions into payment types, or the Till Detail, containing payment transactions, which breaks everything out. As with any report in Theater Manager, these can be printed or saved to PDF. Often the reports and monies are put into a safe, collected, and compared before running the next end of day. Okay, time to recap. First, click Patron Sales and select Till Balance. Second, confirm payment totals and click the appropriate payment checkbox. Third, click the Balance button. And finally, generate and print the preferred Till Balance reports. And that's it. We hope you've enjoyed this video. From all of us here at Artsman, thanks for watching.